Here we are. I've heard that there is a very special magic pet on this island.
Morphle, want to see?
Yeah, me too. Morphle, morph back into yourself so we can go into the jungle.
Ooh, I think I see it.
Let's go! Are you ready, Daddy? Daddy?
Daddy gone!
Uh-oh, let's go find him. Ah!
Monkey!
Maybe you can see Daddy from the trees. Morph into a monkey, Morphle.
Morphle now see Daddy. Scary!
Yeah, but when you're with me, I don't feel scared at all. Look, Morphle, that elephant's trunk is stuck underneath that tree.
Uh-oh.
Morphle, morph into an elephant as well, so you can lift up that tree.
Scary sound!
It is. I wonder where the sound comes from. Ooh, look over there, Morphle.
Pretty birdies!
Morphle, morph into a bird as well. Now fly up high and look if you can see Daddy.
Morphle now can see Daddy!
It sounded really close by, Morphle.
Yeah!
Oh, no! Mila! Morphle!
That's Daddy's voice. Let's go, Morphle.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Daddy now here?
No. Oh, look.
Is anyone there?
Hello, bird. So you were the one making that scary sound. That was great. Do you really think so? Yeah. You must be the magic pet Daddy told us.
Help!
Was that you? It wasn't me.
Real Daddy!
We need to help him.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Morph into a big dog.
Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and... Ah, you are the magic pet.
T-Rex! Oh no! Morphle, morph into a T-Rex too.
Morphle's scared!
Don't worry, Morphle. I think it's almost time for Brother Time to zap us back to our own time. Look! We're back!
Yeah!
Thank you, Brother Time. Using your magic pet powers, we went to the past and saw lots of dinosaurs.
Yeah! Thank you!
Did you hear that yawn?
Yeah, they saw a lot of dinosaurs.
Yes, and
they had a lot of fun.
This means we can go to the past as well.
Oh, good idea, Stein.
And in the past, we can gather dinosaurs to create our own Dino Army.
Wow! I always wanted to be a general, Stein.
What's that? Oh no! Stop it, bandits! We need to follow them, Morphle.
Keep up, Yawn.
Uh-oh, I can't see them anymore.
Morphle cannot too.
I know! Morphle, morph into a search dog!
Look, Yawn.
They are so cute and little.
They will be the first members of our Dino Army.
I don't think they want to join us, Stein.
Come on, guys. It's gonna be great. Ah! Ah!
Bandits!
Oh no! The bandits are in trouble! Morphle, morph into a Gallimimus so we can catch up with them!
Yeah!
Now morph into a T-Rex to scare the velociraptors away! Bandits, the age of the dinosaurs is very dangerous.
It really is, Stein.
I guess you're...
Dinosaur!
Oh no! A pteranodon has taken the bandits! Morphle, morph into a pterodactyl!
I can't fly.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Ah! Whoa!
Morphle, morph into a Triceratops so you can pin down its tail!
Phew! Thank you.
Stein, behind you.
Uh-oh.
Help us!
T-Rex! And the velociraptors!
Can't you morph into something?
Tricycle!
Oh no!
I have an idea. Morphle, morph into a big Argentinosaurus! Woo! We're safe here.
Great.
I love you, Morphle. Yeah.
Now we only have to wait until Brother Time's hourglass runs out of sand, and we will be sent back to our own time.
Look!
We're back.
Yeah.
Maybe the Dino Army wasn't such a good plan after all.
No!
Mila, Morphle, look at this new toy I got.
Oh!
Huh? Let's play knights. Morphle, morph into a bulldozer to build us a giant castle. egg do you think this is? It's so big! It must be a dragon's egg. Let's put it in the castle to protect it. Morphle, morph into a dragon.
Might that be a dragon's egg? Soon we, the Sky Pirates, will have our very own dragon.
Give our dragon egg back! Look, Morphle! The dolphins have the egg! Yay! We've got it! Uh-oh!
Ha ha!
Watch out, Morphle! It's a thunderstorm! Look over there! Uh-oh!
Give me that egg!
We found it fair and square.
I stole it fair and square.
Ah, you found my ostrich egg. I was making a special delivery when some cheeky monkey threw this poor egg overboard. I've been looking for it ever since. Come on, little guy. Let's go back to the zoo.
Morphle, wait! Where are you going? Ah, so this is what you were after. You smelled the other dogs.
Yes, little girl. This is the yearly dog agility course. Your pet can join too.
Ooh, let's compete, Morphle.
Aw, come
Come on, Sammy. You can win this race.
Hey, Builder Lawrence, what's wrong?
My little Sammy doesn't want to do this race anymore because the big dogs are being mean to her. Poor Sammy. Good job, Barky.
Don't be scared. Morphle isn't mean. Look. That's it, Morphle. Let's play with Sammy so she doesn't think you are scary anymore. Hey, guys, that was our ball. Can we have it back?
Is it? Well, finders keepers. If you really want to have it back, then why don't you try taking it?
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex.
Ah!
Are all doggies ready? 5,
We are late, Morphle, but there's still a chance Sammy can win.
3, 2, 1, go!
Good job, Barky. Oh, no.
Give them a dose of their own medicine, Morphle.
Oh, ho, ho! Hooray! You did it!
The award goes to this little one who beat the biggest of participants.
Uh-oh. I'll get it. The ball's stuck on the roof.
Morphle, let's help Troy get the ball back.
Tricycle?
No! We need something with wings.
Dragon! Aw, I can't reach the ball.
Don't worry, Morphle.
Ah! It's a dragon! Ah!
It's Morphle.
Troy no like a Morphle.
Aw, don't worry, Morphle. Troy just didn't see it was you. Let's go after him to explain.
Troy?
Troy, are you here?
Barky, what is... Whoa! It's a dragon! Come back, Barky! What is going on? A dragon?
He's not a real dragon.
No dragon breathes fire in my city. Shoo! Yeah, shoo!
Morphle is not a real dragon. Right, Morphle? Morphle?
No one like a Morphle.
Morphle, come back! Daddy, have you seen Morphle?
Hi, Mila. I haven't. I'm looking for our newest magic pet, Ampy. It's gone missing.
Are you looking for this?
Ampy's magic power is that it can make any sound softer or
Louder! And now everyone can hear us everywhere.
All right, stop it right there.
No, you stop it right there.
It's so loud! Ah!
Let's go, Yorn.
Give Ampy back!
Morphle's not with her, Stein.
Yeah, and with Morphle gone, no one is going to get in our way.
Mila!
Morphle! Help!
Morphle here, Mila. Morphle, go help.
Boom!
This is fun, Stein.
It is, and especially without...
Morphle!
Uh-oh.
We don't have to worry. Dragons can't cover their ears!
Morphle, morph ear protectors over your ears.
Oh, no.
Now we worry. Fly away!
Morphle, use your fire to stop the bandits.
Whoa! Fire!
One dragon isn't enough to catch us.
Morphle, not enough.
Look out!
Dragon!
Morphle, use your flame to trap the bandits.
They caught us, Stein. Yeah.
Yeah.
You cannot be that loud in my city! You two are going to jail!
Mila, Ampy, I'm so glad you're okay.
I was wrong about dragons. I shouldn't have shooed you away.
Morphle, morph into a train.
Have fun at the beach, everyone.
well.
Bandage!
Yes, the bandits must have stolen them. Let's find them. Aha! There you are, bandits. What did you do with all the animals?
Huh? What animals?
The animals that were in the carts that have disappeared.
You mean the carts that have disappeared like that?
We found you! But where's the third monkey? Uh-oh, he's gone missing? Don't worry, we'll find him again. There you are! It's not fun to be alone, is it? Now that you're together again, let's find the other animals. They must feel just as alone and sad as you did just now. If you find them, you can call Morphle. Uh-oh! Morphle, morph tracks to right underneath the elephant. Phew! Great! Now let's find the others. Wow! That looks great, Lion! Yeah! Now we only need to find the giraffe.
Whee!
There you are, giraffe. You see, monkeys? It's much more fun to all be together. Now, let's go to the beach. Bye-bye, giraffe.
Later.
Yay! We made it! Yeah! That kangaroo is so cute! Morphle, morph into a kangaroo too.
The kangaroo is one of the bounciest things in the whole world. In fact, we've studied it for our latest invention. The world's bounciest bouncy ball. Look,
Wow! What are you going to use it for, Professor Rashid?
use it for? I hadn't thought of that, actually. I guess I usually don't really think ahead. But anyway, it's really cool. Look, it's so bouncy that once you throw it, it's almost impossible to catch.
Wow! It is really cool.
Toppling test tubes. I didn't think ahead again. How am I going to catch it now?
Oh no!
We have to get that ball back. I'll go get my hovercraft.
Go after it, Morphle.
Not in my city.
to get that ball back. Amazing.
Morphle, look! That baby bird is falling! We caught you, baby bird. The ball that hit you is the world's bounciest bouncy ball. We're trying to catch it, but it's hard. The ball just keeps bouncing to the next place. Hey, Morphle, that's it! We should think ahead. Then we can predict where the ball is going to bounce to next. Look! First, it will hit that mountain. Then it will pass through those hoops. Then it will go through that loop. And then it will fly high over that mountaintop. Here it comes. It hits the mountain, goes through the hoops. Now it goes through the loop. Here it comes! Jump, Morphle!
Thank you, Mila and Morphle. Thanks to you, I have learned how important it is to think ahead. Tumbling test tubes. I forgot to fill up the gas tank.